Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to see who blocked you on Instagram. So if you think some people might have blocked you on Instagram, you are wondering if you can check to see if you are actually blocked from that one person. I walk you through all of those steps. So for this, first of all, just open up the Instagram application. I walk you through a demo where I block myself from one account. I'll show you what it looks like, show you the key things that you need to look for. And now I will take you my second account where I blocked this, my first account. If you want to know who has blocked you, you unfortunately cannot see a list all of the people that have blocked you because Instagram just doesn't want you to retaliate and to know all the people that blocked you. Essentially, they just want to make it kind of hidden or quiet. But if you search directly for their username, so now if I go back to my account and if I search for my second account here, like you can see it says user not found. It says no post yet under post following it has nothing. So this is the indication that I have been blocked. So if you want to know exactly who has blocked you, you need to search directly for their username and it will say user not found. There won't be any post followers following and it will say no post. So that is the indication. Unfortunately, there is no ultimate master list of all of the people that have blocked you. So that's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.